Viewers, we are back again to continue our simultaneous equations. In our previous lesson, we learned elimination method, how to use elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. Today, we are going to look at substitution method. Good. Now, we are using the same questions we used in elimination method. Now, let's take the first one as equation 1, then the second one as equation 2. Now, to use substitution method, you have to make one of the variables the subject, either x or y, the subject. Now, you can make x the subject from either equation 1 or equation 2. Or you can make y the subject either from equation 1 or equation 2. The choice is yours. Good. I want to make x the subject. I want to make x the subject. Now, from equation 2, I want to make this x the subject from equation 2. So, we write, make x the subject from equation 2. This one. So equation 2 we have x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now I want to make x the subject. So I will have x is equal to 5. Now this 3 will cause the equal sign to become negative 3y. Good. Now I know my x. So I have to substitute x into equation 1. Put x equals 5 minus 3y equation 1. So put x equals 5 minus 3y into equation 1. Good. Now, equation 1 we have 2x minus y equals 10. So I'm going to put x into equation 1. It means that wherever I see x, I have to put these values there. So 2 into bracket x. The values of x. We have 5 minus 3y into bracket minus y equals 10. So I have to remove my bracket. So 2 times 5 gives me 10. 2 times negative 3y will give me negative 6y minus y equals 10. I'm looking for y. So I'm going to have 10 negative 6 y minus y will give me negative 7y equals 10. Good. I'm looking for y. So let me group like terms. I'm going to have negative 7y equals 10. Now this one will go minus 10. So negative 7y is equal to 0. Now divide both sides by negative 7. Negative 7. Negative will cancel negative. Therefore, number will cancel 7. Therefore, y is equal to 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. Now, can you recall that in elimination method we had y equal to 0? That's good. That's good. Now that we know x, now we know y. So let's go and put y into equation 2. Okay? Put y equals 0 into equation 2. So put y equals 0 into equation 2. Now put your equation 2. We have x plus 3y equals 5. It means that wherever you see y, put 0 there. So we have x plus 3 into bracket 0 equals 5. x plus 3 times 0 is 0 equals 5. Let's group like terms. X is equal to 5 minus 0. X is equal to what? 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So this is how you're going to use substitution method to solve your simultaneous equations. Good. Now, if you want to know whether you are correct or wrong, now let's put in the values, whether we are correct. Now, let me use x. X is 5. Now, y is 0. So 0 times 3 is 0. Now, 0 plus 5 is 5. That means we are correct. Let's prove the second one. X is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 0, because y is 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. It means that you are correct. So when you are wrong, you will know. When you are correct, you will know. So substitution method is very easy. It's very easy. Likewise, simultaneous equation. Yeah, it's very, very easy. Please, if you have any question, try and submit your question. I will check it for you. Good. Let's go to the second question. Still on substitution method, this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Now, I said make one of the variables the subject, either x or y. Now, I want to make y the subject from equation 1. I want to make y the subject from equation 1. So, make y the subject from equation 1. So, equation 1 we have x minus y equals 1. Now, because I want to make y the subject, x will stay so that the 1, this one will cause the equal sign to have negative 1 because now this y is negative. So it will cause the equal sign to become positive. So therefore, y is equal to x minus 1. So now y is subject. Good. Now when you are done with y, put y equals x minus 1 into equation 2. Take note. Take note. So, let's quote equation 2. We have x plus y equals 5. Wherever you see x, wherever you see y, put x minus 1 there. So we have x plus, now y, put the value there, x minus 1 equals 5. This represents y, that's the value of y. Good. So x plus x will give me 2x minus 1 equals 5. Let's group letters. So I'm going to have 2x is equal to 5. Now this negative 1 will put the equal sign to become plus 1. So 2x is equal to 6. Now divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Good. Now that we know x, go and substitute x into equation 1. You have to know the arrangement. The first one, I made y the subject from equation 1. And I put it in equation 2. Now, after finding my x, I have to put x into equation 1. So you have to know the arrangement. So put x equals 3 into equation 1. Now put your equation 1. We have x minus y equals 1. Wherever you see x, put 3 there. So we have X is 3. So 3 minus y equals 1. Good. Now I'm looking for y. And y is negative here. So this one will cause the equal sign to become positive. So I'll maintain my 3. 3 will stay. So that this one will come to become negative 1. Equals this y will come. Equals y. Now 3 minus 1 will give us 2. Equal to y. So therefore, y is equal to what? 2. So therefore, the value of x equals 3 and the value of y equals what? 2. So if you want to know whether you are correct, let's put in the values whether you will be correct. Now x is 3, y is 2. So 3 minus 2 will give us 1. We are correct. Good. Let's check this one. X is 3, y is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So this is what we call substitution method. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now, let's check the third example. Please. This is equation 1, equation 2. Now, make one of the variables the subject, either A or B. So take note. So I want you to try your hands on this example for me. Please, when you are done, try and submit your answer. I will check it for you. Please, math is very, very easy. Please, what I need from you is to just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. The little that you know, my brother, my sister, believe in yourself. And it needs constant practice. Constant practice. Enjoying mathematics? Keep on following Jat Online Maths. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. Thank you for watching Jat Online Maths. I wish you all the best.